Hi friends, to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my Wilson Prom camping part 2 video. I hope you all enjoyed watching my part 1 video as well. If you didn't, I'll give you the link in my description box below. Please have a look and then watch my part 2 video as well.
Have a safe hiking. Enjoy.
Half of my team members they wanted to try the trekking, so they all went with trekking suits and everything. They carried so much as well, so their plan is actually 3 days, and they came back after 2 days, and they shared all the experiences and photographs and everything. So maybe next year we can try that as well. So this is Mount Oberon summit. My husband Rajkumar and Natraj they went to this spot. 3.4 kilometer walk, one way. So without a doubt, one of the best views ever. And the sunset from here is absolutely blissful. So don't miss this place if you're planning to go to Wilson Prom camping. Be prepared, even in summer months, the summit can be windy, cool, and clouded. So the views from here, you can see the Telegraph Saddle car park and then the tidal river, everything you can see from here. The view from here is absolutely stunning. Definitely I will recommend, don't miss it, because we couldn't go here because my husband he wanted to try first how complicated it is to go reach there. So definitely me and my kids, next time when we go there, I'm going to try this place and I will update in my future videos. And if you're planning for photograph anything, you can go there, but while going you have to be really careful with your steps and don't miss this place. So this is mostly we all sit together and chat most of the days in the mornings while we are having coffee or tea. So this is the best time we spent. And this small tent we bought this for kids, especially during rainy time and when we plan to go to beach side. So we carry this. It's a tiny tent. At least two people can sleep in this one. It's only $20 from Kmart, and mostly my daughter Lahitya and Sushaina and Ashini they used to do their paintings and drawing stuff inside the tent during rainy time or windy time. Most of the time they spend here. You have to be very careful with the wombat, so beware do not to leave the food out. Best place to put it in the car, because the wombat do like to get into the things in the middle of the midnight. So don't leave your food outside, or even you can't keep your food, even biscuits or chips, even tiny small piece of food also you can't carry in, you can't keep inside your tent. The wombat will come in middle of the night and spoil all your tent and everything. So the best part in this camping is these birds, the lovely birds and the colorful birds. The colors was really different colors, red with purple, red with green. So colorful birds, and they come so friendly and they come and eat the food whatever you give. But here do not feed the birds. That's what the signboard says. So please do not feed. Kids enjoyed with these birds. They love to come and sit on their head and their legs and hands. They enjoyed like anything. So it's so friendly. It comes and play with you. It will be really nice to spend some time with them.
Turn around like yeah.
We were keep telling our kids not to feed the birds, but they always come and sit on my daughter's hand or head. Not only my daughter Ashini's head, they just loved it. We all enjoyed watching the birds, and it was so stress free.
போதண்டா லாய்த்தியா போதண்டா டேய்.
Plenty of varieties of birds are here. Not only these type of parrots, there are more varieties of birds. Ashini were like enjoying with these birds. See, they just come and sit everywhere, and you can see the another bird as well, the white color one. It's very good time pass.
బ్యాటరీలో వచ్చి అయ్యో తలైల తలైల
Vipera, it's not doing anything. It just loves you. It loves you, it comes and sits here. Sits on top of you.
సో క్యూట్
You have to be slow down. Ashini, look at me.
Sorry.
It's okay. இங்கே கீழே இருக்க பாரு லைத்தியா. Stand up.
It was on my chest.
Still on your back.
Still is on your back.
I didn't even think it was on my back. You want a big one?
Hot.
Show one for the other one on the other end.
We don't have any more peanuts.
நாங்கள் இப்போ வந்து வாக்கிங் போகிறோம். ஒரு ஒரு ஹாஃப் அன் ஹவர் வாக்குன்னு சொன்னாங்க. ஸோ ஒரு ஜஸ்ட் அப்படியே ஒரு வாக்கு சுற்றி ஃபுல்லாக ரிவர் இருக்குது, போய் பார்க்க போகிறோம். So we are going for a walk. At least it will take at least half an hour. So we are going to have fun, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
Come on. Not first time. நாங்கள் எல்லாரும் போகிறோம் வாக்கிங்கு. Yes, all. So we are walking to Lily Pilly Gully, the walking area. So this is very good for if you're planning for to do fishing. So here you can do fishing as well. There are 2 spots available, and also they showed you what are all the fish that you can catch. And it's a very beautiful place, and also the bridge crossing is very nice, and also the boardwalk which provides a gentle meandering around Moshi River sounds as well. See, this is the boardwalk. So when you walk through here, you can feel the river sound as well. The trees were so cool here. The long trees. This is not the longest, but it's a medium-sized long trees. But I just love this place. And also, if you're planning for a photographic location, this is highly recommended place, and it's so beautiful. And you can do fish catching as well. So if you want to clean your fish, there is a spot also to clean your fish cleaning station also available. So they specified what are all the fish is available in this area. So this is the best place to do your fishing, and also I will recommend for photographics. So you can see surrounds of water, the mountain, the trees. It's so beautiful. Feel I felt really happy to spend some time with here. It's just a quick walk, only like it will take only 10 minutes to reach here, but it's a worth to spend that time here. While on the way, we saw this kangaroo. It's a different color kangaroo that which I have not seen this type of kangaroo before, and it's so bubbly also to see this. And it was eating the grass. We just love to see. You can see different types of animals here, and also birds. Such a lovely friendly animals here. And it was a heavy rain, so I just wanted to show you how heavy it was. We enjoyed even though it was raining, we enjoyed the camping. We prepared hot food, and we played some board games. In the morning, we most of someone always will prepare a hot tea to everyone, and everyone will come here to have a chat, and we just love to do that. எங்க முகத்தை காட்டிடுங்க. ஓகே, வெரி குட்.
என்ன மாதிரி யாரும்
Raja.
எங்க மேனேஜ் பண்றேன்னா
Sushian also had a good sleep, right? Did you have a good sleep? Good girl. கொடுங்க.
I will take you through my inside my tent. So this is my first room. Mostly kids here, they spend some time to do their paintings, and we kept our chairs and shoe boxes and everything here. And the second room, my son is still sleeping in my third room. The second room where was just my clothes and everything. So if you are planning to come this location, it's a clean and tidy place. So there are more sinks to wash your hands and washrooms. There are more toilets as well, and shower, you can have hot or cold water shower as well. So there are some time limits, due to save some water, so they have some time limits. If you want to have shower, they're giving you I think 5 minutes shower. And there are some, if you want to charge your mobile or anything, so there is a power point in this restroom area, so you can charge your mobile phone. And there is a laundry room, laundry area facilities available also here. So if you want to wash your clothes, so this is best place I will suggest. If you want to wash your clothes, you can come and wash here. There are washing machines, and also dryers are available. And also there is some spots for dishwashing as well. If you want to wash here with the hot water, you can come here and wash. So there are more facilities available in this campsite. So if you are planning with your kids and family, I will suggest this is the best place. This is not a power campsite. It's not, there is no power here. And also if you want to power site camping, you can go a little bit further. There are some available, there are available as well. Even cabin site also is available. When I was coming, I saw this different bird, so I just wanted to capture this as well to show you all. These type of birds, there are huge varieties of bird collections are there. So this is the cleaning vehicle. They come every day 3 times to clean the toilets and shower and everything. So this site is completely clean and tidy. I just love this their service. And everywhere they have some tap here, so you can utilize this. After our lunchtime, we just came to Tidal River again to just play in the water. I was in the water, but all other ladies were just sitting there and watching us. And kids loved this spot. They were just enjoying, even though it's not a deep river, so kids can enjoy here. If you know swimming, you can go little bit further. So there are more deep places available, so you can go there, and if you want to do swimming. But this is a safe place, so if you don't know swimming also, you can enjoy this place. And I was enjoying like anything. I don't know swimming, but still I love to spend some time in the water. And I was just moving here and there, and I loved this place. I spent around more than, I think I spent more than 1 hour here, and time was just flying, and everybody is enjoyed. The small kids as well, they enjoyed like anything. This is the best place that I loved in Wilson Prom camping. The Tidal River was the best place. So everywhere you can see the rocks as well, the mild orangish color on top. It's not a painting, but the natural rock colors. It was so beautiful, and different sizes, and you can take hundreds of photos in these spots as well. If you walk little bit like 2 minutes from here, you can reach the beach also. So you can spend you can see river and as well as the beach at the same time. It was so lovely. um, mm, all the men's were just went for a walk to the beach, and kids, me and ladies were spending time in the tidal river. So as I said, we always come every day to walk different places. So this is the rock that I was talking about. The ladies were sitting here. The view is really amazing. That's all I can say. The If you want to take some photographs, this is the best place. Everywhere you can see different colors of rocks, different color of water. It's nice place to go for a walk, and you can spend some time, and you can relieve all your stress. Jay Ganesh was taking all these videos, um, and Jaitran was enjoying like anything. He was so shy in the beginning, and
நன்றி சொன்னாச்சு கையெழுத்துக்கு வேலை பண்ணுறாங்க எல்லாரும் இந்த ஓப்பனிங் அன்னைக்கு பண்ணா
இங்க வெட்ட முடியாதுங்க நம்ம
இப்படிதான் உள்ளதான் போடுமா நீங்க கேக்குறது நாங்க போட்டுருக்கோம்
மாத்தி மாத்தி விஜய் ரெண்டு
ரெண்டா வேற எங்க இல்லல
இது கூட விடலாம் அவங்க ஒன்னும் நம்ம
அது எப்படி எங்க மண்ணில் விட முடியாதுல்ல.
ஒரு காய்
6 சூப்பர் 6 2 மினிமம்
ரெண்டு ரெண்டு போட்டா பரவாயில்லையா?
இந்த 6 என்ன வெட்டு
5 3 ஒரு காயா இருக்குங்க 3 அதுலயே விடுங்க பின்னாடி இருந்து விடுங்க இல்ல மலை மேல போட்டுட்டீங்களா? ஆமா இல்ல யாருக்கு விட்டு
mostly in the evenings we played board games, and we were laughing like anything during these games. We enjoyed, and even rainy time we were just playing this game. Last video I said about a squeaky beach. I was not able to give you the squeaky beach sound, so I found that video. One of my friend gave me this video, so please listen to this squeaky sound. Here you go. So the last location was sand dune. Absolutely worth checking out. It was heaps of fun walking on the sands with barefoot. The weather could be super windy. The view was just amazing. I must say the location in Wilson Prom. I was finding it really difficult to walk with my shoes. I will suggest to walk in with the better shoes, or just walk with your barefoot. That's the best, that if you want to walk without any difficulties. The place is quite nice, but please bring your hat because there is no shade at this big drift. Come prepared for this mini hike. It's not suitable for elderly or anyone without a basic fitness level. It's a 2 kilometer walk from the car park. It's not too challenging, but the last very steep walk up the sand dune is very challenging, with the soft sand sinking under your feet. So once up there though, it is very worth as it is amazing and stunning. So the important safety tip is make a visual map of the point you got to the top of the dune. Once you up there, it is very easy to forget which way down back to the path. So you can get lost. So please always note that point. And me, Vijay, and Priya were just went back to childhood. Where we were enjoying like anything. Thanks to them, we spent lot of sweet memories in these spots. And I always said the photographic is so good. We took so much of photos from here, and my son also enjoying everywhere. They just started to make some shapes out of this sand. It was so good, and we enjoyed like anything. So my family, Arun, Vijay family, and Priya Srikant family, we three families here, we enjoyed, and That's the most precious moments, I will say. And as I said, don't forget to bring your hat and coolers. So it's highly recommended because there is no shades at all in this spot. And bring your water bottles as well with you. If you want to take more photographs, please take more. And I will suggest to walk with your barefoot because I was finding it very difficult with the shoes. So with barefoot it was easy to walk, but with shoes it was not at all possible. um, to me it was not possible. So it's up to you guys to decide, and make sure which way you're going, and make sure you come back with the same way as well. And we took family photos, friends, kids enjoyed as well. So the last day we were just removing the tent. Everybody helped each other to remove the tent. It's a dismantling is easy compared to assemble the tent. It takes only 10 to 15 minutes to dismantle the tent. And make sure you clean your tent before you dismantle it inside. Just make sure remove all the sands, because we were just going around the beach in rivers and everywhere, so it's full of sand. So make sure you wipe it off complete, and then you pack it. So at the last day I was giving my kids the cereals, because we packed all the um, food items and vessels and everything, so we were not able to do any toast or anything. So we I just gave them the cereals. They enjoyed. My son Tanish, Lahitya, and Ashini, they all had their breakfast. So we packed all our stuff in the car. We removed everything, the tent, the chairs that we bought for kids. In this gazebo we removed as well. We packed everything and we are ready to go back to our places, our homes. So this is how it looks when you remove your tent. So mine was not removed yet, so we were just packing all other stuff. So we will remove the tent at the end. There are more stuff, maybe I can reduce some of them next time. I was carrying too much stuff, I guess, because we were not sure how much we need for 8 days. So maybe next time I can correct all the mistakes that we did this time. But here, in these campsites, they all the friends were helping each other to pack or unpack everywhere. They come and help. They do the volunteering jobs. That was so sweet of them. And my husband was helping to dismantle Srikant's camp tent. My Ashini and Lahita, they both were enjoying like anything. They were dancing everywhere, chatting, um, distracting the people who's doing the job to remove the tent. As I said, make sure you clean the tent before you dismantle, and also while you're rolling as well, you have to make sure that it is clean, and you have to always wipe it, because your the tent will be full of sand. Priya was helping me to take this video. I wanted to show you all how easy to dismantle the whole tent. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video.
You're the boy.
We are the boys.
We are the boys.
I wanted to share some of the pictures that I loved. Um, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you are planning to have a break, please go to this Wilson Prom camping area. If you don't have to take your tent with you, you can hire cabin site as well. There are more facilities also inside, so you don't have to carry anything. There will be bed and everything will be available ready for you. So So this is the place I was talking in Squeaky Beach that we spent in the rock area. Everybody was sitting there, and you can see a lot of wild animals. They were so friendly, and we prepared lots of food, puri, rava idlis, variety rices, potato fry. We did bhaji, pakodas, and we did so much of food here. We cooked. Um, there was a healthy version as well. We cooked all the food and we played lots of board games. We roamed everywhere, and the birds were so lovely and friendly. Um, we took lot of photographs. I just and there is a store here and you can buy if you want anything. It's not expensive as well, it's cheap only, and also it's only 20 minutes drive from Wilson Prom camping site. And if you want to fill your petrol also, you can do that. You can buy the grocery stuff as well. And if you want to do any trekking things, you can do that as well. It's mainly for trekking area, and you can climb more mountain stuffs, and it's available. So you have to be very careful with the safety is more important than anything else. So always be care and prepared for everything, and make sure your kids are safe. If you want to see different types of weathers, and it's this is the best place. If you love water activities, and please come to this place. I just loved it. We spent a lot of time with friends. I wanted to thank everyone who are all joined to this camping. um, Thank you everyone for a lovely and beautiful time with you all. We enjoyed. I will never forget this in my life, and I laughed more. It was a stress free time. Thank you. Hi. So this is my last day in Wilson Prom camping. So very happy. I don't want to leave this place. I just loved it. I laughed like anything. We laughed and we laughed so much. I was laughing like I used to get pain in my back side of here, back of the neck and forehead. I used to get pain because I laughed so much. So thank you to everyone, all my friends. So lovely place. If you want to spend a very good time of your holidays, please come to this place. You will love it. So in my future videos, I will share you all wherever if I see any good place, I will definitely share. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you on another video. So I'll post more like these videos in